In 2016, we began this coral IVF process for the first time on the Great Barrier Reef, in the southern part of the Great Barrier Reef at Heron Island. What's really exciting is that we've monitored the outcomes of that experiment for 5 years, and we now know that the larger colonies that we created by settling larvae directly on the reef are dinner plate size and are sexually reproductive. So we've closed the life cycle and established a new breeding population on an area of the reef that had very few live corals present. And it's really thrilling now to see the outcomes of that, because we know that this approach can restore breeding populations quite quickly on damaged parts of the reef.